Many people think it's impossible to build muscle with bodyweight exercises like push-ups. But in this video, I'm going to show you how push-ups alone can help you build muscle. Stick around till the end. You won't want to miss it. Let's dive in. Building muscle naturally isn't ineffective. It just requires a well-rounded approach. While results might not come overnight, with the right strength training routine, you'll notice gains in just a few weeks. Push-ups are among the top bodyweight exercises for upper body strength, working your deltoids, triceps, pecs, and even your core and lower back. Although push-ups don't primarily target the back muscles, they are vital for stabilization. Did you know that push-ups are a form of weightlifting? You don't need traditional weights like iron plates to lift heavy. Even at home, push-ups offer versatility, especially when you add variations or extra resistance. That's why professional athletes and bodybuilders always include push-ups in their training. But remember, real results take time, so don't expect drastic changes in just a month. Push-ups will build muscle, but for a truly impressive physique, an integrated approach is essential. With proper training, nutrition, and rest, you can transform your body in 6 months to a year. First rule: eat right and rest well. Proper nutrition is crucial. Without enough protein, your muscles break down. Without fats and carbs, you'll lack energy. Carbs are vital, as they get burned first, protecting your protein stores. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Take breaks between sets, and rest around 3 days a week to avoid injuries and ensure steady progress. The key is consistent training without overtraining. Second rule: you'll only build the muscles you work on. To maintain balance, include exercises for your back, abs, and legs. Burpees are a great full-body exercise to add to your routine. Third rule: adjust the load. If you stick to the same push-up routine for 2 months, you'll notice faster growth at the start. This is why progressive overload is crucial. Keep challenging your body to build strength and muscle. A good rule of thumb is to choose a load that tires your muscles after 12 to 15 reps. When it gets too easy, increase the difficulty to keep making gains. Fourth rule: keep an eye on your posture. While push-ups are excellent for your chest, shoulders, and triceps, they can lead to poor posture if done excessively without balancing exercises. Make sure to strengthen your back to maintain healthy posture. Most people don't have perfect posture, so relying solely on push-ups isn't the best approach. Incorporate back exercises like pull-ups to counteract shoulder rounding. To sum it up, push-ups are fantastic for building your chest and triceps, but they won't fully transform your entire body. If you're serious about a full body transformation, you'll need to optimize both your training and nutrition based on your starting point. The formula is simple and effective. Set a goal, follow your plan, stay motivated, and be patient. Your hard work will pay off. And don't forget to check out the other videos on this channel.